Hello, my name is Alex and today we're going to talk about what is a computer. Now think of a computer as an advanced calculator. Let's take the word advanced for a moment away and just focus on what is a calculator. Calculator is a device which wants from a user an input and an action to be performed, so that calculator could give you an output or a result of that equation. Let's go through the real case scenario. I have two digital numbers and I want to calculate the sum of it. For example, I have number 2, I have number 3, I want to perform a sum on those two numbers and see what's the result. So 2 plus 3 equals 2, calculator please tell me. Calculator gives me an answer, it equals to 5. Okay, so the abstract idea, the general idea behind every single calculation which happens in the calculator is that user gives some input. Then it gives some action to be done with this input. Calculator does the thing with the input and gives an output. Now, computers do exactly the same thing. You give them an input, you give them an action, they do something with the input, and they give you an output result. Let's go again through a real case scenario on the computer. For example, you're writing a text document in Word software. So you're typing something, and this is eventually is an input. And then you're giving an action, for example, to save that document to a memory. Computer says, okay, I got it. He does all of that work, and as an output, it will give you that. It will save that text document as a file in your computer. And again, behind the scenes, the idea of every single thing which happens is that it needs input, it needs action, it will perform something and do and perform and do and give some result and output. As I've mentioned in the beginning, that computer is an advanced calculator. So why is it advanced? Because it could perform those calculations, computations at a different level. It is like millions times faster, quadrillions times faster. Again, it depends on which computer you're looking at, because different computers are more powerful than other ones. For example, the servers are much more powerful than personal computers, of course, because they have been designed so to work with workloads which are times more than you could do on your personal computer. I hope that concept was enough for you to understand what happens behind the scene of every single process, what happens in the computer, and that will be kind of the basic knowledge from where you could start your own investigation, your own journey on how does a computer really functions. That was the high concept, the abstraction level of abstractions, and now it's your time, now it's your duty to investigate more, of course, if you need. For example, as a programmer, that's enough knowledge for me to have to, for example, investigate how the programs are written, and or at least in a web development. Thank you for watching, and till next time.